Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity sheet, which is about the number of proton, electron, neutron, and ion. So let us now begin. Question number 1. Which of the following is the element name of Li? The correct answer is lithium. Question number 2. Look at the image below. What part of the element is pointed by letter C? The correct answer is atomic mass. Question number 3. Which of the following is true? The correct answer is atomic number is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Question number 4. It refers to an atom that carries an electrical charge. The correct answer is ion. Question number 5. If an atom gains electron, what will happen to the atoms of that element? The correct answer is it will have a negatively charged atom. Question number 6. Look at the diagram below. What do you call the part that is pointed by letter C? The correct answer is mass number. Question number 7. It refers to the positively charged ion. The correct answer is cation. Question number 8. Look at the image below. What does the positive charge symbol mean? The correct answer is it means that sodium will lose one electron. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of anion? The correct answer is letter B. Question number 10. If an atom loses electrons, the atom becomes, the correct answer is positively charged. Question number 11. Study the diagram below. How many electrons can second shell level or orbit possibly hold? The correct answer is 8 electrons. Question number 12. Study the image below. Identify the name of the three elements. The correct answer is calcium, neon, and carbon. Question number 13. Look at the image below. How many protons, electrons, and neutrons does a magnesium element have? The correct answer is proton is 12, electron is 12, neutron is 12. Question number 14. Use the image below to answer the question. Determine the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons of the element neon. The correct answer is the proton is 10, the electron is 10, and the neutron is 10. Question number 15. What is the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons of the element below? The correct answer is the number of proton is 6, electron is 6, and neutron is 6. Question number 16. Use the details of the element below to identify the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Note, the element is an ion, so please follow the rule on how to calculate its subatomic particles. The correct answer is the number of proton is 8, electron is 10, neutron is 8. Question number 17. How many protons, electrons, and neutrons does an aluminum ion have? Use the details in the image below. The correct answer is the number of protons is 13, electron is 10, neutron is 14. Question number 18. Study the schematic diagram of magnesium oxide below. Which of the following is true about the magnesium ion and oxide ion? The correct answer is magnesium atom loses 2 electrons, then oxygen atom gains 2 electrons. Question number 19. What makes a neutral element different from an ion element? The correct answer is a neutral element has no charge yet, while an ion has either positively charged or negatively charged. Question number 20. Use the image below to answer the question. What do you call the part of the element that is pointed by letter B? The correct answer is symbol. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 13 or above, congratulations. If your score is 12 or below, it means that you have to watch again the video lesson about the number of proton, electron, neutron, and ion, and look for those correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.